Let's sync your Gmail or Outlook with Pipedrive smoothly and quickly. Follow along step by step. Start in Pipedrive. Click your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Personal Preferences, followed by Email Sync.
Click Add New Account. Enter your Gmail or Outlook email address, then click Get Started.
You'll be taken to your provider's login page. Sign in and allow Pipedrive to access your account. Now choose your sync preferences. How far back to sync emails, last month, last year, or more, and select specific folders or labels if needed. Click Start Sync. Your emails will now appear and update directly within Pipedrive. If you update your password, return here to re-authenticate. For Microsoft Exchange, use advanced settings with server details from your IT team. That's it. Your inbox is now fully integrated with Pipedrive. No switching tabs, just seamless workflow.